it up.
Stand up.
My time now. One job. Be no afraid of nobody.
God have mercy upon us.
See, why so my touch me mix up in a cup?
General, make a new lyric. Low.
No.
To the people that are right, that's up on the rhythm. Show them. Watch out.
No, me take that into that chicken you stop.
Can you stop? Zagazel.
Again.
So if I say Zagazel, I mean the bitch shake your head.
Hey everybody, what's up? I hope you all are doing well, and as usual, I thank you all for joining me here. So I'm gonna talk about Vybz Kartel's performance in Tortola.
Yeah. Roll out the earth before they start yarding. Don't pull up. First of all, we are give thanks to God, because through God everything is possible. So thank you. It's just another day. Sing! Dr. Jamie, wake up. Round bus a kiss for me, darling. Tell her say only me a touching on the street. In the street we see poor people balling. When the black woman future me off it, when the system a do fishy. Now, big up the girl, them we fight it alone and a race 2-3 picnic and them one. Where the man they no man know they walk. Big up the Tortola juvenile them where you say them have to make it and not touch the chrome. Them no one with the claim our own, but Africa, sing with me now. Get how you to go on and on. Hungry from morning till night come. Them I wonder if the ghetto one go stop. I wonder if we catch in at the trap. Look.
No, I'm so happy that the world boss is free. I could just say that from the beginning, okay? God is the greatest. Vybz Kartel free. And we can see same a try to live a better life. It is obviously clear. But we do have some people who are just waiting for him to fall back down some rabbit hole or waiting for his career to fail. So let us just delve a little bit into Vybz Kartel as a performer. He actually performs well, and he's doing the same thing now as he usually does. And MC Nuffy is no different with his actions in Tortola. Now, in terms of performing, we cannot look at Vybz Kartel and try to compare him to Beat the Man or Elephant Man. He's just not that type of artist. So what I wanted to do is pull up some of Vybz Kartel's performances from in the past and pull up some of his performances now. And I also want to delve into MC Nuffy as well, because even though it might look a little bit extra, it's not really. This has been how MC Nuffy has been from day one. So I'm going to pull up some other performances that Vybz Kartel did before his incarceration compared to some of his performances now. So let's just get right into that.
So my shirt bad. Low. You think I could have breathed you? Your blood clot like that. I'm on a human relation, so easy it can do. Clocks hot like me skull for this year. Put your right hand in the ear. And so, I your left hand fish you up in the ear and say, I wish that about them. Oh, when you're gone, when we miss you, you roll with the blame with the reason. When we turn you and twist you, they get a different state of mind. The law says for this year, policeman a search me, they miss you. Better them carry me go live in a jail if loving you is a crime.
If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. Sing the part, so hot, somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it's sweet, yo. What you say? jail time, that a waste time. Wine from my money and my money from my mind. Ready? Big on the people that in the stadium. After 13 years, me dey a road, and guess what? If you are high class,
we have time for you.
Hold
We
on,
have time for you.
glasses.
We have time for you.
Yo, that's a no. Me not time for no jail time, that a waste time. One from my money and this shot of them a
Free the time.
this shot of them a
Free the dollar sign.
anyway you see me at any given time. Mine from my money and my money.
The shot of them a free
Look.
the dollar sign. The shot of them a
Look.
free the dollar sign.
Low me, money me a meds and them not none fi show me. 30 million for your house up a stony. So me go and hustle round a father. Me nah make no man right me like. Cause we put God in front of it. So what? Thank you, Jamie, we wake up this morning. Stand up and smile all when me see storming. Me vision say better days coming. Every day that me a. Me no see no job, no free education. None of them never give me nothing. That's why I get to you last to the system. We can't batch on that one here.
MC Nuffy seems to have been really excited about the performance. Some people are saying that it was planned to distract the people from Vybz Kartel's performance, and you know, he's like the fall guy. We pay attention to MC Nuffy, but I think MC Nuffy has always had a character. This isn't something new. He was just a bit extra.
All when you're rolling
with the army
that no.
here we
All of the people that want to feel.
represent.
Turn it up.
Turn it up. Turn it up.
My time now. One job. Be no afraid of nobody.
God have mercy upon us.
Hear me I say no. And that me I say, look, we no afraid of no bullbuck. But be your army. This is one for wherever go with them. Run it back. We're not frying so easy. We need a new fear cartel fights. Jump now man everywhere with. Everywhere with. People want it. See, but show my sauce me mix up in a cup.
General, make a new lyric. Look.
Look.
To the people that are right, that's up on the rhythm. Show them. Watch out, watch out.
Now me check that into that chat a new song. Me more chat a new song.
Yeah.
What is under me nose? When me a go do with bad time. When me do with some title. Pull up. Everyone with a superstar. DDIP. Come on, y'all. You go to the put on it and go and try it out. Again. Look. Look.
Run that up. Look
Hey,
at that
girl,
crowd.
give me the bench put on and let me go and try it out. I'll taxi, pum, pum, go and go cool out. Bench put on and let me go and try it out. One job. If the man a reference your body.
But he was really excited. Now, while Nuffy may have been a little bit excited at some part of Vybz Kartel's performance, it wasn't for his entire performance at all. It was just a little spot where him get a little just a little part there alone. You understand? But otherwise from that, MC Nuffy is a hype man up there. No different than Spliff Star when you have Busta Rhymes up there. You understand? Him is a hype man. Him actually put vibe in the crowd. Me like when he say, yeah. Me love it, man. Him have a real vibes. I'm a rate, I'm a respect it. So big up to the big bad MC Nuffy. Him put in the work for years and years and years. And me out here. So appreciate him. The man just enjoy the freedom of the world boss. I really don't have nothing to say about that. But there's one point of Vybz Kartel performance. Me say, Jesus please, then I work see them there. I always see them there for pass the boss. I see me. Me can hear say the crack did a come, but you know, he's a performer, him no him voice, him no one when it a come, so him stop it right there so under style.
Anybody love their mother? Or is there any mothers here? Is what I'm saying. Turn it up. Mama, mama, mama. I'm a mother, dad.
So yeah man, the vocal cards them just need to do some more work, you know. You can hear that Vybz Kartel voice. There's something different about it now. There is a maturity in his voice, but there's always there seems to be a little rasp, you know. That's what guys, I love it. I love it vocally, okay? I have always thought that Vybz Kartel's voice isn't strong enough as yet. It will get there. But in my opinion, I think he's pushing himself a little bit too much. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. There's some people who comment about his drinking and his smoking. But it's very unfair for me to comment on that. And I cannot assume that that's what he's doing when he's not on the camera. That's an assumption, because some people will put on something for the camera to keep up certain type of character. So I don't know if he's, you know, sometimes, you know, I live the rich life and you don't know him have the grabber them and him have the paper them. So he's having to promote his stuff. How can you not drink what you're or smoke what you're advertising? It doesn't really make any sense, right? I can tell that Kartel has gotten older. You know, his voice is not how it used to be, and that might be a result of his illness. We have to remember that Vybz Kartel is sick. We have to remember that with Graves' disease, it comes with memory loss. Okay, so it's just one of those things we cannot argue or cuss or complain about sickness and the effect that it has on people. And I know that he's in his 50s. And I know that it's his illness, because look at Bounty Killer, his voice is strong. So we have to understand, say, with Graves' disease as well.
Obviously, what we're here to see is your thyroid.
Yeah.
And what I thought would be helpful is, first of all, to see what a normal thyroid looks like on your neck.
Okay.
That's a normal thyroid. And hopefully that's helpful just to see what it looks
like, yeah.
How do you feel about seeing what your thyroid looks like?
I have to look at it. I have to see it.
Next. The top part, the larynx.
Yeah.
I mean, we can appreciate that the trachea, your windpipe, has been deviated, but it's also having an effect right up here where your voice box is. And I think what would help actually is if we could have a look at that. So you're looking right down your voice box now.
Okay. So what you can see here, these soft muscular structures of your vocal cords forming this triangular opening from your voice box and leading down into your windpipe. You can see how the whole area is kind of slightly twisted.
Yeah.
Now, although your vocal cords are actually positioned normally, and as we can hear from your voice quality, they're moving normally, because you can't physically get enough air in and out, that's affecting you when you're singing.
Yeah. I think the man is trying his best to deliver, okay? It's not always gonna be 100% perfect, all right? But I do appreciate this man pushing through all his sickness and still, no matter what, trying to give us a show on a break since he's been out. Even his sons were on the show, right? All right. One thing with me over here, saying no, me try to remain authentic at all times. You know, guys, sometimes I just have to talk how me feel, and you know, it's just my opinion, and nobody have to latch on to it. You understand? Now, me appreciate Vybz Kartel's son, Little Addy, and Jesus Christ, me always mix them up. Little, me can't never remember their name. Guess what? They need to get some different name, like Little Addy and Little Vybz. Me no. Only need to change the name to something else. Me still I get to know confused, and me know so me are not the only one where get on the name mix up all the time. Now, when it comes to their performances, the younger one, him have talent. Him have so much potential.
Put the glass, put the finger validate. Book a first class flight, grab a first in the chest. Stab them with your fuck, so me happy for them. Pick your side from now, what wanna rep? Man of the match dog.
But you see the older one, The older one need whole heap of work.
I love my mother so more than you will know. She cares me while I go. Yeah, yeah. Oh, Vanessa, hero, hero, hero. Yeah, you're my hero.
Fresh lemonade, too cool for the image, and you know see me beard like what the fuck is that?
Hear me say no. And that me say, look, we no afraid of no bullbuck. But we are army.
Ice, palm vein, too cool with the image. What the hell is that? What that? No, me can't do it. Me not like the song, that not like the song fool. Fresh lemonade, look pa me eyes and no see me beard. What the fuck is that? No, sir. The little one, I think he has the voice more for the music. Maybe the older one will grow into it at some point, but right now he cannot perform. He cannot perform. He sounds very off. But I understand what daddy a do. The daddy a build up legacy. You understand? Family legacy. No different than we used to Bob do with film children them. But the thing with Bob Marley children them is that them actually talented. You understand what I try to say? Me not say the youth them not talented, you know, but them not nowhere near to the artists them in a Jamaica right now. Where in the industry actually a put out work. They're nowhere near. They're nowhere near. Not one of them youth. They're not one of them. Not one. Not one. They're in front of nobody at all in a music. No, me just have to be honest. Me can't do it no other way. No. I understand why them take on the music, you know. Just like the same like how the Braxton them go sing. Everybody just want to be singer once they say it in the family. All of them, they all want to sing. So I understand that them feel like it's almost like an inheritance. You understand? And yeah, take over kind of thing. And them feel like them have some responsibility to carry on them father work. But them have to go work on them talent. When we did if you listen back to Massacre, when Massacre did just boss, he was not that talented. But guess what? Him grow into him talent and right now him body of fat. So me not say them not ever reach when me see other artists go, because I mean the little one might feel good because man of the match get one heap of views, so they might feel good about that, and that's fair enough, but that's not enough to put you out there, youth. You no need to do some excellent projects. You no need to send the project them come to me first. Daniel88@gmail.com. Let me spell it. DAINELLE 88@gmail.com. Any song you wanna have, send it to me. Send it to me. Me not share it with nobody else in this world. Send it to me. And make me listen to it. And me will tell you if the song can work. But not tell you that because any me did get the song then in my inbox and say, Fresh, you know, see me be able to tell us, fuck with that, don't put that out. And that me would I tell you. You understand? And next thing, the big one, I forgot do something with him tone. The tone don't sound like an artist. You understand? So me need him for really fine him DJ voice and come. I just pure honesty. Me can't do nothing else out here but just start the truth. I just saw me stay. Alright? I hope that they can improve. Right now the little one is better than the big one. And yeah, me hear more talent from the small one. And me know some of me alone think so. But who brave like me don't know. And guess what? A Gaza me say no. Gaza sheep trademark, I mean no response no man. I true me attack because guess what? Them I represent cartel. You understand? You don't want people to say, oh, them only reason why them in that music are because their father. And you can clearly see that kind of like right now. So what we need them to do is prove them talent, yo. We need them to do it without nobody I say a cartel. Just like what them do to Sean Storm. Like people that have it say if cartel never involved in a Sean Storm life, we wouldn't be artists either, right? So one thing with cartel, him have this thing where him feels that him can just see anybody on the road and just bust them, make them big. Same thing when him do with Gaza Hindu. See her one day walk and say, you me gonna make it one stand. I don't know whether the fuck she can sing or not. So I think Kartel challenges himself in that way. And you know, but anyway, I'm son them what I'm supposed to do both. I'm supposed to encourage them, but they also need vocal training. Big up Skilly Bang, big up Javinci.
Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up.
she love bad man. What you say? What you say? A bad man she love.
Bad man she love. Bad man she love. Bad man she love. Bad man she love.
1, 2, 3, what we say? Scope on me black. And for me gun sound when it pop, 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 pop. Easy. We can be louder than that tonight. Big up every bad man at Tortola. Never go with them telling me, yeah. Go on, I go like it. Yeah, the Astella. Never go with them. Hey, how we make a meal man.
Ja Vinci was really off. Ja Vinci was sounding no different than Vybz Kartel, who have Grace disease with a little hoarse voice. I don't know what was going on with Ja Vinci, but it wasn't good. But me know say normally Ja Vinci is a good artist because me have other things that I can reference, right? So, you know, I know it was just a blunder and in this particular performance, and you know him is a good artist. Otherwise, Skillibeng, up. He has to be an example to them. You understand? And an example of courage and strength through peer adversity. In a prison did act, but out of prison they eat worse, man. Nice clean people. Facts. Like people just wanting him to fail. You understand? And they're not remembering that he's representing the genre, dancehall music, and he's at the forefront of it. Why do we want to see him fail? What we'd like to see him do is do a little bit, is just go on, take it easy, right? I feel like he's overexhausting himself and he shouldn't have done that as it, but this is a big man, man. I'm not his mom, man. I'm not his manager, I'm not his mom. You can't tell him what to do. So only thing we can do, I have my concerns and still, you know what I'm saying, support him to whatever he's doing, and he's not doing anything that's wrong. So why should I be upset? You know what I'm saying? If man just do music, why me feel be mad at somebody who I try to do the music out there? Why? I think most people are just happy to see Vybz Kartel on a stage. The fact that he can perform his old time songs, whatever. I just think people are in a nostalgic moment and they appreciate that. While other people are just judging because they didn't like it from before. You understand? Or they were skeptical of how he'd be when he comes out. I'm not saying none of those people can have, you know, their opinion on whatever. I think we should support him a little bit more. He's not doing anything wrong. You know what I'm saying? So, big up to Vybz Kartel, big up to the whole of Tortola, the show. It went well, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Now, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and take care of yourselves. Bye.